Hi everybody, today I'm going over hamstring stretches and how important they are for people that have tight hamstrings. First thing I wanted to go over is the anatomy of the hamstring, where the muscles attach, and then the next thing I want to go over is the stretches you can do for the hamstring. And I'm going to give you level 1 and 2 stretches today. So when I look at someone's hamstring, the first thing we look for is the flexibility of the hamstring. And what the hamstring does when it contracts is it bends the knee, so the heel comes up to the buttock. People can have tight muscles in the belly of the hamstring muscle. They can also have tenderness where the muscle inserts via the tendon into the bone. This is called the ischium right here. And then it can also cause tenderness on the inside or outside of the knee because there's tendons inserting across the joint onto the tibia and fibula right there. So some good stretches, some basic ones, just bending forward at the waist and touching the floor. Now you can do this with your legs separated and equal. That would give you an equal stretch on the right and left. Here, this lady has one leg crossed over the other, and that's going to give you more of a stretch on the back leg going into the hamstring area. I would hold this for 3 to 5 seconds, stand up slowly, do it again. I'd repeat this for 5 times in a session. The next exercise, pretty basic, sitting on the ground, bending forward at the waist, having your hands go on either side of the feet, and then just bending forward and feeling that stretch in the hamstring. You should feel a pulling. You should feel some tension there. And as you rest in that position, the tension will start to dissipate, kind of like butter melting. And then what you can do is just go a little bit further. I would hold this one for about 5 to 10 seconds. Have a slight bend in the knee because you don't want to lock out the knee. When the knee locks, it kind of rotates. We don't want any extra rotation or compression in the knee joint. So have a slight bend in the knee. I would say 10-degree bend in the knee is good. The next one that I really like is this one with a block. So you can put a yoga block down or something else on the ground, a box, and then put your foot on top, flex your foot upward towards you, and then put your hands above your head and then lean forward at the waist. So bend forward at the waist. That'll really stretch the hamstring muscle, and it's going to give you a little extra stretch by doing it this way with the block. So this is a level 1 going to the next level, level 2 stretch that I give my patients. And then the final one is more of a runner's lunge. So you can start on the ground with one knee bent, the other leg straight ahead, bend at the waist, have the hands on either side, and really feel that pulling in the extended leg right here in the hamstring. Again, hold that, let it kind of melt like butter, and then go a little bit further. And I would do this for about 5 to 10 seconds and maybe move forward 2 times. So get into position, feel that tension releasing, go a little farther, feel it releasing, and then finally go a little bit farther again. And the other one you could do is just have one knee down, kind of kneeling, have the body flex forward, the knee bent on the opposite leg, and then just flex your body forward more. So kind of lean down into this position, bending the knee more and feeling that stretch in the hamstring. So this is more like a forward movement of the body. Be careful of this one. If you feel any tightening of the muscle, spasm, you feel any sharp pain or a really strong burning sensation, then I would stop the exercise and let your healthcare practitioner know. If you're a patient of mine, let me know when you come into the clinic, or you can always reach out to me via text and let me know that it's causing some discomfort for you, and I can give you some alternatives to do for your hamstring. So I hope you guys learned something about hamstring stretches today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at your next session or via text, and I'll talk to you guys soon.